Hello student, I extend a warm welcome to all to this lecture. Actually, in this video, I am going to explain you graphics in C. You know that graphics means what? Graphics means here you have to represent picture, means your information now is in the picture form. So that can be done in case of C. So let us move towards the concepts of graphics in C. So here in programming we are going to use some concepts to understand or to write a program in a C. Basically what is meant by graphic? By using graphics mode in C language you can draw a picture, that means a pixel, that means a circle, that means square, that means all kind of pictures can be drawn by using the graphics in C. So here you have to use certain points. So first concept is what? Header file. Header file can be represented by using graphics.h and graphics.lib. Lib means library, that are used in graphics for C language. So what is meant by header file? That is graphics.h. It contains the definition of constant and prototypes of graphics function. So what is meant by prototype? Function that I already explained you in the previous chapter. So that prototypes of graphics function or the definition of constant can be stored in a graphics header file which you have to use in your C programming language. Next one is graphics lib. That means what? Graphics library file which contains functions definition. Which function you are going to use for graphic C programming, that are stored in graphics lib, that means library file. Okay. So let us move towards the next concept of graphics in C, and that is what? Graphic mode. So in C, the graphic mode can be divided into two types. Text mode. In this mode, only text in terms of ASCII can be used. In text mode, only the texture form which are presented in ASCII format are used as text mode. Next one is graphics mode. So graphics mode means any type of figure which can be displayed, captured or animated can be made by graphics mode. Okay, so let us move towards the next point of concept, that is automatic selection of mode can be done by standard function. That means what? These above mode can be automatically selected by using the function int graph, that is initialization of graph. So this is the function which is used for automatic selection of above mode. Now let us move towards the graphic drivers. What is mean by graphics driver? These are the program which communicate with specific devices. Graphic drivers are the program which are used to communicate the specific devices, that is known as graphic driver. Okay, these are applicable only graphic mode. So graphic driver are used in graphic mode because in graphic mode only the pictures, the different things can be used in a programming, can be obtained as an output in a programming. So graphic drivers are used only in graphic mode. Turbo C offers many graphic drivers with extension BGI. So whenever you are use graphic drivers, and if you are using Turbo C, then you have to use the extension BGI for that graphic drivers. You are understanding these, I think, very well. Okay. Now let us move towards the concept, that is what? Resolution. I think you are familiar with this. Okay, resolution means what? You are using different types of cameras. Nowadays you are using smart mobiles. In your smart mobiles there are so many cameras, and that any display has this resolution. Resolution means what? Each and every display has the resolution, that is group of pixel is known as resolution. Okay, group of pixel. So what is meant by pixel? But pixel means it is a dot which is present on your screen, on your monitor, the individual dot is known as pixel. That means the all display screen is divided into number of dots, and that dots are known as pixel. Next one is more the pixel, more the resolution. Okay, how many pixel are there, on that the resolution is depend. If the number of pixel is more, means if your display screen is divided into number of dots, if it has more number of dots, then the resolution is more. Okay, you know that the camera resolution, your mobile resolution, it depends on the pixel. Hence the advanced mobile, smart mobiles, we can say that it is resolution is nice, the picture quality is nice. Why? Because that contains more number of pixel. Text mode. So what is in by text mode? In the text mode, whenever text mode is what, in which only the text in ASCII format is used to display on your screen. So in a text mode, the screen is divided into 80 columns and 25 rows. Graphic mode. In this graphic mode, the total screen is divided into 640 pixel. You just carefully listen. 640 pixel width and 480 pixel height, means it contains of 640 by 480 pixel. Overall screen is divided into that number of pixel, that number of dots are present on your screen whenever graphic mode is there. Get it this? Okay, let us move towards the next point, detect macro. It is a predefined macro which selects the appropriate graphic driver. So detect macro, it is a macro which selects the appropriate driver, which driver you have to use, that can be selected by this macro. This value has to be stored into variable GD for further use. So let us see. This is a one kind of statement, detect macro. Okay, let us move towards the graphic existing from the graphic mode. So whenever you are using graphic mode, so to exit from that graphic mode, you have to use the function close graph. Okay, so close graph is a function which is used to exit from any graph mode. Suppose your program is in working a graph mode, that means in your program you are going to draw some picture on your screen. So your program is in graph mode, then that program can be exit from that graph mode by using the close graph function. So this is the statement which is used to exit from graph mode. Now restoring the text mode. Restore CRT mode is used to restore the screen mode to the string prior to the graphic setting. So whenever you want to set the graphic setting, prior to this you have to use restore CRT mode. So now let us see initialization of graphics. How does the graphics are initialized? As I told you, graphics means picture. So that picture can be represented by or initialized by using x-axis and y-axis. Okay. So here x-axis can be represented in horizontal way. That means here you just observe the coordinate x max comma 0. That means here the y coordinate is 0. Hence here all y coordinates are 0. Only the x max is varies in horizontal direction, and vertically y is what? 0. So in this way here the coordinates are like this: 0 0, 1 0, because 1 is x, 0 is y, 2 0, 2 is x, y is 0. So in this horizontal way y remains 0 throughout, only x will get varies. Let us see the vertical variation. This is coordinates because it is two dimensional figures that we are going, pictures that we are going to generate by using graph mode, by using C language. Okay, suppose you want to draw a circle, it is a two dimensional circle. So how does it represent, how does it appear, how to appear that on your screen? So to appear that, you have to use x and y coordinates. So I am going to explain you how does the x and y coordinates are defined. X coordinates are represented in horizontal way and y coordinate represented in vertical way. So hence in this vertical way, the x coordinate remains 0 throughout, because here it is 0. Only the y coordinate will get increased because it is represented in case of vertical manner. So 0, 1, 2, 3, that represents y coordinate. Okay, and here you have x max and y max. So in this way, graphics can be initialized by using x and y coordinates. Okay, the int graph function, I am going to explain you this. It is used to initialize the graphic mode. So the graphic mode can be initialized by using this function. How? This is the syntax. You know that syntax means a proper way of representation. So int graph in bracket and gd and gm, both are separated by delimiter comma, and full stop is not there, it is taken by mistake, printing mistake. Only the double inverted commas are there. So this is the int graph. This is the syntax to initialization, used to initialization of graphics. GD means what? Graph driver. That means which type of graph driver you are going to use to initialize the graph. Okay, GM means what? Graphics mode. So which graphic mode you are going to use. And this is what? Double inverted quote means what? Driver path. So this is the information of, this is the syntax of initialization of graphic mode, and GD GM is what? It is given below that. Okay, so now let us move towards the meaning of graphic driver. Graphic driver, if the integer that specified the graphic driver to be used, graphic driver means what? Here see, I am going to explain you. This graphic driver GD, it is an integer. Here integer number is used, and that integer number explain you which type of graphic driver you are going to be use. Get it this? Graphic mode. So in case of graphic mode also, see here GM, here also you have some integer number, and what does that integer number shows you? It gives us the integer that PC files the initial graphic mode. Okay, and path driver specifies where the initial graphic mode. Path driver, path means the way, the place where your initial graphic mode is present. So that is the meaning of GM, GD and double quote. Okay, so this is all the concepts of graphics that I am explain here. In next video, I am going to explain you the statements that we are going to use in programming for to draw any kind of picture. So up to that, thank you very much.